In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete autocomplete email addresses in Gmail. Many of us have encountered the common issue of autocomplete suggesting outdated or incorrect email addresses when composing a new message. While it might seem like a minor inconvenience, it can occasionally lead to embarrassing mistakes if an email is sent to the wrong address. Luckily, Gmail provides a simple way to manage and delete these unwanted suggestions. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you regain control over your email suggestions. Start by opening Gmail and clicking on the Compose button to start a new email. This is the easiest way to trigger the autocomplete feature. As you begin typing the email address you wish to remove, you'll notice Gmail offering suggestions based on your previous interactions. These suggestions are part of Gmail's way of trying to help you send emails quickly, but sometimes it can be far from helpful if old or incorrect addresses are cluttering your list. Keep typing until you see the unwanted email address appear in the drop-down list. Once the unwanted address appears, don't click on it just yet. Instead, hover your mouse over the suggestion. Gmail highlights the option as your mouse passes over it, indicating that it's selected. This step may seem trivial, but hovering over the unwanted email address is necessary for the next action. The key is to ensure you've accurately hovered over the correct address, as Gmail might list several similar contacts if the address is popular or commonly used. Now that the unwanted address is highlighted, right-click on it. Right-clicking is the crucial action that allows you to access additional options for that email suggestion. As you right-click, a small menu should pop up, presenting several choices related to the email suggestion. This menu typically includes options like Remove from List or something similar. For our purposes, select the Remove option. Doing so will delete that specific email address from your autocomplete suggestions, ensuring it no longer appears the next time you start typing a similar address. And that's it. With these straightforward actions, you've successfully removed an unwanted email address from the autocomplete suggestions in Gmail. Managing your contacts and keeping your email list clean can significantly decrease the chance of sending messages to the wrong recipient. Remember, staying on top of your suggested contacts can make your emailing experience more efficient and free from potential blunders. Hopefully, this simple guide helps you streamline your communication process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.